Hi everybody, Deborah from Stamp On It, and this is a product review video. This is one of our new products just out as of the time of this video. It is one of our Slimline kits and I'm super excited about it. There's a lot of cool stuff to show you about this kit. This kit gives you more options when you're ordering and things like that. I've even got my big love cup here with my coffee in it, so grab yours, grab your drink of your specialty, and let's get started. So first of all, Candy Hearts Love is a slimline, which is a longer or taller, depending on which way you're using it, card. The kit comes with your 12 cards. They're pre-scored, and you have the option to order, I should say, either horizontal or vertical layout. I'll just show you quickly what the difference is in case you haven't worked with these before. These are horizontal. This is vertical, okay? The sheet that you will get, or sheets that you get with the kit, will determine if they're vertical like this. Let me put a sheet of GlitterFilm behind that for you. Here's horizontal. Notice the layout this way. Here is vertical. Now obviously you can cut these apart on these cutting lines that we provide for you, and you would be able to turn those and make it whatever you want. You can put it on other things too, but they are designed initially to be either a vertical layout or horizontal layout. All right. In the kit you also get your sheets of our GlitterFilm, the adhesive backed sheets. I'm going to talk about some samples and just show you very quickly through this so the video doesn't get too long and that I lose my audience. I'm going to talk about them, and then that will kind of give you your introduction into the kit as well. So in this particular kit, this is a special edition kit. It is actually 3 sheets of coordinating stickers. So for example, you would either get, if you order gold, you will get those. If you order silver, you will get these. Now, most of our Slimline kits only have 1 sheet of stickers. So this is a special kit. Keep that in mind when you're ordering. You will also get to pick from either white or cream cardstock. You will also get to pick the color of your overlay. You will have a choice of black or raspberry, wild cherry or red, and standard white, of course, or cream. And I don't have a cream one handy here, but this is a cream one that is cut down using just the center of the overlay. So I'm just going to show you these samples, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about some different features. In the kit there are the 3 sheets. Like on this one, we used the hearts from this sheet, and I should actually show you from my sheets that we have some off from. On this here, the hearts, these are the inside parts of the heart, like that. If you go to a sample like this, these hearts, they're separated in the middle there. They are the inside of, when you peel off the ring or outline of this, you have those 2 pieces left. And what Sharon did, and thank you Sharon for all these wonderful samples again, she took those and pieced them onto the card. Now it's not difficult to do. Use your little pokey tool or a needle of, your choosing, whatever works best for you. I love this little pokey tool. Little pitch on the pokey tool there. Works super great for positioning, oops, your stickers, okay? And I'm going to get them stuck to everything yet. So I can put them right onto my tool like that and place them however I want them, okay? So that's the heart sheet that's in here. It's really unique. It has outlines, but it also has solid hearts. All right, moving forward. The sheet of borders in this kit is super cool. And whether you pick gold or silver, they will look like that. Now, when you peel them off, and on the sheet I should stress that there are vertical hearts and there are horizontal borders on the same sheet. So that is really super cool. You can do hearts like this, or you can put hearts on like this, where they're vertical and the hearts are always upright. It's very unique for this particular type of sticker, that they're horizontal and vertical. This is also a flexible border, so you can take them and you can go right around, for example, the opening in the overlay if you want to frame it. Sharon was able to just bend those stickers right around. It's called Flexible Border Sticker. And this one has to be 6343 if you're looking for that. The hearts that I was showing you is DD6303. And the other sheet in here is DD, upside down, 6342. And I'm going to show you on this one here real quick, and this sample. These two are kind of the same, but she added some color on the one. So for example, here, she added color inside of this little piece of border. And on this sheet, there are corners that coordinate. If you see here, the corners. But then also she framed this overlay piece with some of the little border pieces. And also on this same sheet, this is a fabulous sheet, you get the little hearts. So when you pull off the outside stickers, you have those little hearts that are inside of those left behind, and you can use those pieces as well. And that's what she did on here. She put those in the corner just to accent those corners, and that also allowed her to hide the little glue drop that she used to adhere that piece of the vintage hue and the GlitterFilm Candy Hearts background. So very nice, very cool. These sheets in this kit are super, super cool. Moving forward, I'm just going to flip through some of these. This one she used overlay the wild cherry, bumped it up with some foam tape, but she dropped this one and this one down. So you would cut those. You can do it after you put the glitter film on the back side, and the instructions will instruct you how to do all that. And the video also, there's a video that's on our website right off from this product that will go through more detail in working with the Slimline kits. But she dropped these down to the card face. This one is raised with foam tape behind the center part as well, and then accented again with the stickers. And here is a vertical version of this one with the hearts in the center. Here she has, oh, my phone's going off. Sorry. Shut that down. This one she has the raspberry overlay. She framed it with the vertical hearts, horizontal hearts, vertical hearts, horizontal hearts. So another really neat framing idea. So the hearts are always in the right direction all the way around. Here's one with a black overlay trimmed. And you will have your option to select the color of your cardstock with this kit, the color of your overlay, the color of your stickers, and the shape of your overlay opening. So whether you want circle or square, you will have that option too. And you will not be able to put the kit in your cart until you make those selections. Now also on our kits, we are adding an add-on option. That is an option you do not have to order, but say you needed foam tape, you will be able to do a quick add-on right off from this product, and it will say add-on. You can add the foam tape, and there's also sometimes an adhesive add-on, because we like to use the 1/4 or the 1/8 inch adhesive on these, because then you're not using up so much space with your adhesive behind here. It's an 1/8 inch double-sided adhesive. But also if you're using the foam tape to bump these up, Sharon always advises on the Slimlines and our shaker kits to use the 1/4 inch foam tape. It takes up less room on the back side when you are creating any raised areas. If you don't want it to raise up very much, we also have a 1mm foam tape. That is not 1/8 or 1/4 inch, but it allows you to give it a little bump, but not a lot of lift. Okay, that is a 1mm white foam mounting tape. So all right, so I just kind of went through these and showed you a few different things. I hope that it has kind of inspired you. Lots of cool ideas. This kit is super, super special. It has 3 sheets of stickers in it. Normally our Slimline kits have only 2 sheets. So you will notice that there is a $2 cost increase on this particular kit, but if you do your add-ons right off from your ordering the kit, like your foam tape and your adhesive if you want, that price will go right into the kit, and you will also get the discount. If you use a discount code, you will get a discount on those items as well, even if it's just, say, a kit discount. It will give you a discount on those items as well, because they are included right into the kit price when you order them right off from the kit. So if you have any questions, email us as always at www.stampedonit.net. Our email is right off from our website, as is our YouTube and Facebook links. And I just hope you have enjoyed this video. This is the Candy Hearts Love Slimline Card Kit. We also have this, I'll just quickly show you. Now, I'm not going to go into detail in this particular video, but we also have this same Candy Hearts in squares background, and you will see the links right off from this product in our shaker kit, in a full sheet of Candy Hearts, and then of course your choice of horizontal or vertical slimline, which we have explored today in this video. So thanks for watching. We hope you have enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day.